You know, on a nice Sunday morning like this, I thought we'd do something a little bit different. How about not only do I release a video, but we do a really tasty French toast. The first thing you're going to want to do is get 3 eggs, put them in a bowl, and make sure you whisk them up really nice. After that, 1 to 2 pinches of sugar, and I'd say about 1/4 cup of milk. You can see me kind of just eyeballing it there. Mix all of that up really good, and then make sure your pan is, nice and ready to go. Now here's where things get interesting. I used to put the cinnamon directly in the bowl, but I've learned once you put that bread in there, it kind of just takes it all in the first piece. So it's easier to just put it on while it's already in the pan. Now if you want a really thicker, heavier French toast, let the bread soak longer. Golden brown it, and well, that's pretty much it right there. Now here's where I take it to an unhealthy level. Under the disguise of presentation, okay? Brown sugar, a little bit of confectioner's sugar on there, and the syrup, look, you can tell that bottle's empty, right? I have a problem. Okay, Ron, here's the thing too, if you have kids, you're gonna wanna go ahead and make something special for them. I like to get creative with it. You can do a whole bunch of different things, so just have fun. You had Lincoln Logs as a kid, there you go. All right, we're not fooling anybody here. I'm hungry, I'm having a 5th piece. I hope you guys enjoy the recipe. Have a great breakfast.